Hello everybody, this is Roll the Winterbrose. In this pulse mode blending segment, we're going to discuss mirroring along the X, Y, and Z axis. As you can see, we're running Blender version 2.83.4, so let's begin. Here's the default cube that comes in Blender. We'll zoom in a little bit on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to edit mode because we will be editing the cube to show you how the mirroring works. And we're just going to click off in the distance here to unselect everything in the on the viewport here. So we are in vertex editing mode. So here, right here, this little mirror, this mirrored picture of a butterfly is where the mirror section is, and there's X, Y, and Z, which correspond to the different axes within Blender here. So we're going to turn mirroring on X, and what we're going to do is we're going to select that vertex right there. Now you don't see anything else happening. However, if we use the G key to grab, like we taught you earlier, you'll see that the other you see the other vertex is actually moving too. So what we'll do is we'll undo that real quick, and to demonstrate we'll turn this white back off, and we'll just grab that one again without mirroring on, and you see the only one that moves is the one that we actually grabbed. So we'll undo that. So, and you can do the same along the Y. So let's unselect, let's turn on Y mirroring, which should be front to back. So if we click that one and we do grab, you'll see it's moving the opposite, the mirrored, which is the vertex is in the exact opposite position along the Y. And of course, if we want to do the Z, be the same thing. We can just say click this one. This will be up and down, and we grab it. You see it's moving both of those. Yeah, if you noticed all that movement, you can see here we still have the mirroring along the Y still turned on. So you can turn it on one axis or more than one axis. Let's go ahead and undo that. Let's make sure we turn off the Y this time before we grab it. Now there you go. See how it just moves the one that corresponds along the Z with that same vertice. So you can do multiple mirroring at the same time, or you can just do individual along one individual axis. We hope you enjoyed this video presentation. Have a great day.